Nice little quick setup. I will be, and I won't keep the candles there, but clean up my feet if I want to. I take them off, put them up here, like this. And I have the bed set up right here that folds out. That'll be for another video, part 2. The shades, simple. Simple shading. If I could show you, these are actually paper shades from the dollar store. You just pop those things off right here. See how it's hanging? It comes down. Hit it with the Velcro strap right there. It's a complete shade. I don't really care too much about the gap on, like right here. Doesn't really mean much. Later on, I still gotta do the reflectives inside here anyway. Gives like a house feeling. Yeah. And this is literally paper. And then this one I didn't do yet, but this is probably gonna be the same. We'll slide inside one. And then maybe a reflector behind that with the fan. And then just a quick tutorial. Pop it up. It don't gotta be too, soft with the paper, but, just make sure you don't rip it. And this just goes up. And you clip it from one direction to the next. And once you clip it, you can put it wherever you want. And then you put the other one up, and you're good to go. The little cool thing about it is, I got the candle burning, whatever bag there. I also have some night lights. I'm gonna put that one on. That's good on that side. I want to go all the way to the front and put one that's over here. Bam. See? Night lights everywhere. And in the view. It's a blackout version. I have another one for the... Oh, but all the seats are still in this vehicle. And that's the blackout. And like I just showed you before with the shades down for that one. But sooner or later, a nice little setting. Shower setup.